Hi, my name is Fabian. I'm the head of product here at Styla, and today I'm going to show you one of the latest product improvements that we've been working on and have just released. This one is called the What You See is What You Get editor, or WYSIWYG for short. And it allows you, your marketing team, your e-commerce manager to take full control of your storefront without any coding knowledge and in a very easy to use drag and drop fashion. Without further ado, I'm just going to show you. Here we are in our dashboard, and you can jump into the View Store tab, where you'll straight away see your store. This is the Styla storefront. This is a boilerplate one that we kind of give you when you sign up. And it just comes with a whole lot of boilerplate content and layout ready for you to adapt. This is the homepage, but of course there's a bunch more. There's, for example, the categories up here in the menu. These are just the categories that are in your shop system. We'll pull them straight through. Also, when you make changes to that category tree or to your products, they'll show up in Styla straight away. You can browse around, you can jump into specific products. You see the product detail pages here. And what you'll notice is that there's some edit buttons here. So I can jump into the product page layout standard to edit the way product pages show, or I can jump straight into the shop system. I can also do the same thing for categories. Or I can do the same thing for content pages, like here, for example, about us, or the blog page, whatever it might be. And I can do this for the header and footer as well. But for now, I'm just going to go back home because I want to edit the home page. When I click here, I'll jump into our editor, and this is it. This is the What You See is What You Get editor. As you can tell, as I'm hovering over these different elements, they get highlighted, and I can select one and edit them. But before I do that, I just wanted to quickly show you all the different elements that we have. We have a bunch of content elements like text, image, banner, which is essentially text on an image, and or a button. Or several buttons. Video, I can show sliders of images or grids of products or images. Divider, story feed, which is essentially like a blog listing page. I can get more advanced if I want to with HTML code elements or advanced custom elements down here, which your developers or your agency can custom develop for you if needed, but you get pretty far with just the standard elements that we have here. So let's have a look at my homepage. For example, this text element, I actually want this to display next to the other text element, so I can just drag this and drop it here next to the other one. We rearrange it. Let's say I would like to have a picture in between, so I can just grab a picture element and drop it here. And I'll replace this. I actually want the lake club here. Use it. Take out the caption. Actually, I want to just put an alt title in, Lake Club, save image, and now I have this in between these two text elements. I want this image to show a little bit larger, so I'm just going to select the group that it's in and change the split. And then we have a 1:1 split, and the image shows a little bit larger. I want to give this whole thing a title, so I'll create a text element above. Drag this in here. And this is my new section title. And then actually, I do want to have this centered. So I select center. There we go. Just to quickly show you, I can do the same thing for product pages, for example. So I'll just jump here, click on Edit Product Page, Layout Standard, and I see my product page here. But for now, I just want to edit the home page. Click on Edit Home. You'll see now the homepage loads, but in our editor view. For example, this text module, change some text around, and also change the order of things just via easy drag and drop. So for example, I can move this over here and then instead move that over there, just with simple dragging and dropping, no coding knowledge needed. And I could also drag this up here if I wanted to, without needing to know any code whatsoever. I can also jump into the banner headline here, for example, and replace the image. I'll use the lake image, use this one, and now we have a nice lake background. Actually, text would make more sense if it was white. And there we go. And the style of our CTA button, we're going to make that primary. So now we have a really cool homepage landing banner where I can easily control what the title might be, like so. And now I'm going to publish. And this page will be live in a matter of minutes once our server farm has pre-rendered it and made it super fast and optimized so that it loads on all breakpoints with incredible page speed performance and fully SEO optimized. So yeah, there you have it. That's our new WYSIWYG editor. Thank you very much. And yeah, looking forward to hearing your feedback once you've given it a spin. Thanks.